Hello, classmates of Excel Academy. This video, I know it's pretty late, but I wanted want to kind of come on here to kind of discuss an issue. I was requested to make this video by a couple classmates. This is a public service announcement. So let's get to the meat and potatoes. So those who are already aware of, or have been on YouTube for 10 years, that goes for if you had a channel back then to now. Um, this video I'm not really proud to make, but I have to make it out of request of my classmates. So those who were involved with the goth girl thing at Colony Square Mall in Zanesville, Ohio, that were classmates. This video is more directed towards you. So let's get to the meat and potatoes. So those who were involved with this goth girl cult thing, or whatever you want to call it, in the Colony Square Mall, I am pleading with you, those who are involved, to make things right for all of our classmates. All of us that were at Excel. I'm also requesting those who were involved with this cult or club thing to please understand how much issues that this has raised for all of our classmates. That goes for those who were part of the suicide cult thing, or whatever you want to call it. It's a suicide goth girl club at the Colony Square Mall in Zanesville. Now, this is a public service announcement part of it. Those who were involved, please understand, we're not angry with you. This video is to basically supplement the incident that had occurred 10 years ago that led on to now. For my viewers, this video is a training tool also. But those who were involved with the suicide goth girl cult or club at the Colony Square Mall, please be understanding that that you're cared for by all of us, and you did not have to join it. But my main concern with you guys is that you guys have caused some severe damage to the school. Not the building itself, but the damage to the camaraderie that was at the school. So, this video is a public service announcement that if you, my viewers, my firefighters, know what I'm talking about, please comment below. And I will respond to questions as I get them to me. This video, like I said, I do not want to post, but I had to post. It was regarding this club that us Excel Academy students were all aware of, that was at the Colony Square Mall in Zanesville. Please be aware that we care about you. We care for those that were involved with this organization that was part of a serious problem at the Colony Square Mall. The other thing I want to bring up with you, my firefighters, my viewers, is that please be reminded that could cause a whole lot of problems for us classmates, including possible criminal issues if this keeps on happening against us. For those who were a part of the suicide goth girl club at the Excel Academy, this is the part of the video you need to listen to. Those who were involved I wanted to tell you all that this has been kind of a tough thing that I've been kind of putting off posting. But unfortunately, now is the time I post because several of our classmates have been implicated in this thing. Um, but the public service announcement and is coming back around. For those who even thought about joining this group is no longer around. The security at Colony Square Mall shut the group down, pending prior litigation from the Colony Square Mall's owner, which is Time Equities. So those who are wondering, who have been my viewers for a long time, this is a public service announcement. Do not hurt yourself over this situation, because you got to remember, a lot of us care about you deeply, and a lot of us love you like family. So this video is for you all Excel Academy students that are part of the Suicide Goth Girl Club. Don't forget, if you understand what this video is, please hit a like. And don't forget, you are cared and loved about. Peace. Have a nice day. Like and subscribe for more content. Don't forget the bell icon. It is greatly appreciated. Thank you. And Tower 1 out.